In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite new members to your Cloudflare account. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Cloudflare dashboard. You'll be greeted with a clean and organized interface with multiple options on the left-hand side panel. It's within this section where you'll find everything you need to manage your account effectively. Now, let's get down to business. Locate the left panel where you'll find various sections, such as Overview, DNS, and Analytics. What we're particularly interested in today is the Manage Account section. You'll need to scroll down just a little bit through the menu to find this option. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the part of Cloudflare where you can handle all the details pertaining to your account's management, including the ability to add new team members. Now that you're in the Manage Account area, look for the Members section. It should be pretty prominent right there on your screen. Clicking on Members opens up the page where you can effectively manage your team. Here, you will see a button labeled Invite. It's typically located right in the center of the screen, ensuring that you can't miss it. Just click on this button, and you're well on your way to adding new members. In this next step, you'll be prompted to enter the email addresses of the individuals you'd like to invite. This is straightforward. It's your preferred way to specify exactly who you want to add to your team on the Cloudflare platform. Make sure that you've got the correct emails listed to avoid any mishaps with invitations going astray. After entering the email addresses, you'll encounter the field for setting the scope and role for each of the new members. It's essential to think about what access levels these individuals require and what roles they will play within your Cloudflare account. Setting appropriate permissions is crucial, as it ensures that your team can perform their specific functions effectively while maintaining the security of your account. Once you have input all the necessary information about your new members, you're all set. You've done it. The process is now complete. At this point, the listed individuals will receive invitations to join your Cloudflare account with the roles and permissions you've assigned. It's a fairly simple process, but it's always game-changing to have the right team in place, equipped to make the most of Cloudflare's powerful features. So there you have it, a quick and efficient way to invite new members to your Cloud